Here we have the Hoover dishwasher. You could check the model number here. To operate with it, make sure the wall switch is on. Then open it, load the dishes here, and load the capsule here. Close it until you hear a click. Close the door. Press the on and off button. Then you can choose your preferred program by pressing this button here. You will see the timing here and the temperature here. For 65 degrees. Then if you want to put a half of the washing machine, press this button. Once you're done, press the play and the program will start.